Happy Hanukkah from Jerusalem. On behalf of myself, Aaron David, and my wife, Bina Poston, the co-founders of Yiboneh Yerushalayim, which means that Yerushalayim shall be built. We've taken an opportunity for the next 2.5 minutes to share our Hanukkah message with you. Number one, Yiboneh Yerushalayim means Yerushalayim shall be built. And during Hanukkah, we all know that the temple was rededicated. It was cleansed. It was purified. And we all invite you to dedicate your own hearts and to become more dedicated in Jewish values and what Hanukkah stands for, especially now that the world has always been against us and our message. But now is the time more than ever to ignite that fire, to let that flame live for what we stand for peace, for real peace. And what Yiboneh Yerushalayim has offered you in the world is one of many organizations, but we're unique in the fact we have created and we continue to create a warm and inviting environment for Anglos, people who are interested in Israel and the Torah. We have some of the greatest speakers from all the different yeshivot, not just one yeshiva and one strain of thought, but from all the different great yeshivot in Yerushalayim, and the greatest teachers who are sharing the true message of the Torah. And we invite you to help us build Yerushalayim on high and down here in this world. Number one, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll show you how in a second. You can subscribe to our newsletter. I'll show you how to do that too. And you can watch our Torah classes online. And you can also contribute financially to our efforts. And that would help us continue to bring some of the greatest speakers I mentioned earlier and share that the Torah, from Zion comes forth the Torah. Now, how do you do that? You go online and you go to Yiboneh Yerushalayim, YIBONEH.com. That's our homepage here. At the homepage, you can click on Contribute. On the homepage itself, you can subscribe to the newsletter. When you contribute, you can have many different options here of direct transfer, PayPal, credit card in Israel, anywhere in the world. Coming to our YouTube channel, you can click on and go right to Yiboneh Yerushalayim. It is right here. This is our YouTube channel, YIBONEH, and we look forward to sharing with you much happier days.